Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Minute. Birthday Prod ni Donnie Pangilinan, kilig na kilig ang fans panay sigaw sa studio ng ASAP at ng kanyang nobya. Very proud din ang girlfriend. Sigaw rin siya doon sa gilid.
I'll eat you breakfast every morning, and I'll pick you up with your bed.